What are the 5 types of immune cells, and what function do they play in the immune system? Part 1. Ryan from Bootcamp here, and let's talk about all the types of immune cells that you absolutely need to know to ace your DAT. So the mnemonic that I like to use to remember the 5 types of immune cells is the never let monkeys eat bananas mnemonic. This mnemonic also helps us remember the relative amounts that these immune cells are present in our body. So in other words, neutrophils will have the greatest concentration, and basophils will have the least concentration in our body. So the neutrophil is the first type of immune cell that we need to know. And we can use never in our mnemonic to help us remember that neutrophils come first. Neutrophils are just innate immunity phagocytes. Their job is to identify pathogens and eat them up. They're also the most common leukocyte, and then the first to be recruited to inflammation. The next immune cell that you need to know is the lymphocytes. And we can use the word let in our mnemonic to help us remember lymphocytes. So there's actually 3 types of lymphocytes that we need to know. B cells and T cells are part of active immunity. That just means that B cells and T cells are very specific to an antigen or a specific pathogen. Natural killer cells, on the other hand, are part of innate immunity. These cells are going to use perforin to rip up the pathogens and fight off the infection. So that was just some of the immune cells that you need to know. Make sure to follow us and stay tuned for part 2.